Blow him out.
Whoa.
Oh no, it came back.
Blow harder, Jack. Blow, Jack.
I'm trying.
Oh, Lucy.
Don't touch.
Are you okay?
I wrote it in the mud.
Don't touch, Jack.
Throw it out, Lou. Help her, Daddy.
She's blowing it out.
Blow it out.
She's running out of breath.
Adrian, no. What's that? Oxygen. Hey! How come it keeps coming back? Yay!
Wait, Lucy, wait, don't touch it. Oh, don't touch it. Put it down. On here.
I just got it out. I just got it out.
Got it out.
Mom won't stop doing that.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah. Hey! I'm gonna leave it on. Watch. Fan. It's back on.